Number two, this sounds like a very straightforward one, but I've seen this trip us up before. I've seen it trip up other folks. Make sure you have working credentials and appropriate access to the system you're building an integration to. So again, this sounds like common sense. Like, of course, we need to be able to access the API, but really and honestly, having API access is not enough. What you need is an environment to test again, hopefully not production, API access or access to whatever type of service you're integrating to, and login credentials to the UI. Trying to build an integration without being able to log into the system and access it the way your customers are going to access it is nearly impossible. Can it be done going blind, just using API docs? Sure. But data can behave differently when it's entered in via a UI versus accessed via an API. And your customers are going to be the ones that are using this thing most likely through the application layer. So you've got to make sure that you have credentials to the system, that you have all the permissions that you need to access all of the objects that you need, and that you can log in to an environment that you can test against. Additional, if you're able to get access to a test environment that is preceded with data, that would be incredible. NetSuite is great about this. Their sandbox environments have a bunch of pretty good, robust data in there that makes testing so much easier. But at a minimum, even if it's an empty account, you've got to be able to log in. Do not get started. Do not pass go. Do not start trying to do anything until you have access to that environment.